Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back for second period action here. 20 minutes back on the board. Timbo, what do you think here? What do you think? Give me something here. Give me something.
Just gotta play smart.
Yeah.
Don't buy into all their bait.
Yeah. They're gonna hit. They're gonna hit. We know they're gonna hit. Maybe we use that to our advantage and try to lure them into some penalties here. Here we go. 1-1 here. Viewers at home. See how things go here. Fans are making their way out here. 1-1 here. Things are going to get going. Neufeld, Berzi, Ruiz, Lovac, Bradley are going to start this off here for the Jets. Puck gets dumped in here. Fontaine's going to pick this up. He's going to go cross ice. Puck gets dumped into the wheel. Can't handle that. Neufeld. Levac hits Schrader. Good hit. Neufeld's going to take off here. Goes right by Thiessen. Still got it here. Shot. Oh, almost caught him off guard there. Almost caught Menard off guard. All right here. All right. Como, Chernaby, and Robidoux out there. Dig it in here. Puck gets off the glass. Levac dumps it back in. Buchert's got this. Levac throws it back. Robidoux. Puck gets in. Radley, good play there. I like that. Buchert's got this. Buchert. Dirksen. Robidoux just chips it out. Levac's got this. He does. Yep. Verschuk back out there. Verschuk trying to go through everybody there. Como cuts him off. Radley hits him. Fontaine from the point gets thrown up.
Oh wow, what a weird bounce.
That was a funny bounce there. Funny bounce. All right. 18:38 left in this second period. Still 1-1. Ryan can't get that through. Roland, he tries. He can't. Thiessen right on him right away. Coulombe has this. He's going to dump out. No ice. They're going to say touch. Roland's got this. He's on a one-on-one against Emerson in the corner. Vermette comes to help out Roland. Roland can't handle it. He's trying here. Yep. He's got it here. Puck does not get out. They keep it in. Ziegler's got this at the point. He's going to throw to Roland. Roland's going to hit Emerson. Emerson's going to come back with a cross check. Ziegler from the point. Oh, just on the side of the net. Ziegler's got this. Thiessen.
Oh,
we got a 2-on-1, 3-on-1. Throws it over. Throws a muff in there. That's good. That's good for us. Roland's got to get going here. Offside on the play. Yeah, Jets know that. Puck. Ziegler's going to pick this up. The Z-man. He goes rink wide to Vermette. Roland can't get it in deep. He tries. Schrader's going to take off. One-on-one against Coulombe. Coulombe's going to go hit him. Little slash. That's okay. Thiessen from the point. No goal. Great play by Robidoux there. He does get it out. Berzi's got this. Roland wants it. He can't get it. Puck gets dumped down. Ziegler Z-Man. Little to Emery. Emery back to Z-Man. Como picks this up. Como showing great speed. Throws it around. Shot on Menard with the save. Menard playing very well today. Like to see that. Like to see that. That's good. No problems there. No problems there for Menard. Kimbo, what do you got here? What do you got?
You guys able to comment or
Oh, yeah.
are you able to connect and everything?
No. We're just recording. Yeah. Fairzy's got this. Fairzy. Ginter keeps that in. Fairzy's got this. Nope. Thought he might shoot that one. Emery loses that. Emerson, one-on-one here against Ginter. Great play. Puck here. Ginter's got to go for it again. Dirksen. Como chips it up. Emerson's got this. Fairzy goes for the hit. Robidoux dumps. Fairzy going to go for a change. D are going to change. Puck gets tipped up right onto Thiessen's stick. Verschuk shot. Robidoux's got to turn this just outside the reach. Good play by Como there. Oh, little push there. Everybody's okay. Not a push. Everybody's okay. Good play. Good back check by Neufeld. Levac's going to pick this up. He's got a bit of time. No, he bobbles it. He's going to go the other side. D to Radley. Puck gets thrown up. Radley's got this. Little how's she going? Still got it. Make a move. Puck gets thrown into the mesh. Stoppage of play. Going to change the whole thing here. Everybody's going to change. Everybody's going to change here. 14:54 left here in this second period. Como. Can't win that. Coulomb. No, I thought that maybe stayed in. Puck gets thrown to Jowett. Jowett goes rink wide. Coulomb hits Zubov. Ziegler's going to skate. Oh, almost a nice move on Fontaine. Great move by Fontaine. Fontaine goes for the hit. Turnby holds him up. Puck's going to go in the corner here. Good play. Coulomb from the point. Yeah. That puck stopped. Going to change the whole kit and caboodle here. Everybody's going to change. Fairzy wants to take this job. Fairzy didn't want to take it there. We got Reimer here. Reimer, yeah, he goes right by. Oh, just about ran out of real estate there. Puck does get out. Emerson putting on the pressure. He's going to dump rink wide. Emery's going to pick this up.
Oh my!
Little pass to Baldwin. Baldwin wasn't ready for that one. That's okay. Just a bit of nerves. That's no problem. Great play. Puck gets out. Yeah, it does. Fairzy's got this. No. Emerson backs him off. Ruia can't handle it. Neufeld hits McFarland. Shot. Saved by Baldwin. Ruia puts it in the middle. Ginter's got this. Off the glass. Ryan still got this. Shot on Menard. We're going to have a full change here. Full sail. Schrader out there now. Shot. Great save. Levac's got this. Puck gets dumped in. Levac's gonna go pick this up. Thrown around. Radley's gonna pick this up. He's gonna go. No ice, no ice, no ice. Great play. Good. Colomb loses the puck though. Thought he still had it there. Don't think they feel it. Don't think they feel the puck shot. Good save here. Puck can't get out. Puck's stuck inside here. Puck stuck inside. Radley, yeah, there you go. Good play by Baldwin. Smother that up, get the whistle. I think his foot was, that's okay though, that's okay. We're not gonna get every call. We're not gonna get every call here. Puck gets thrown in here. It's good. Puck gets dumped in here. Emerson takes Neufeld's hit. Reimer didn't want that. Chernaby, he can't handle that. Puck gets back, no, doesn't get dumped in. Thiessen, Chernaby's gonna pick this up. Komohai hit. No call. All right, here. Okay. Puck gets thrown around. All right. 10:42 left in this second period. 1-1 still. Good hit here. Emery throws it into his bench. Kimbo, you got anything?
Got nothing yet, man.
Nothing yet. Okay.
Wouldn't mind another goal.
Yeah, I agree with you there, bud. I agree with you there. All right, puck gets thrown across here. Radley can't get that out. Verschuk right on him. Great save by Baldwin there. Vermette doesn't want Thiessen around. He's going to tell him to go. Thiessen's going to dig in here. Kenner's on the bench. They're yelling there. That's okay. That's no problem. It's no problem. Puck off roll and skate. Just not clicking. Not going. Not going. Oh. Giveaway. Verschuk. Verschuk scores. Bingo. Oh no. Emery with a giveaway there, and yeah. That happens, it's no problem. That's hockey. Got to keep going, can't get down. Can't get down here, Timbo. Team's got to stay up. Team's got to stay up. Keep it going here. Keep it going. All right. Puck gets dumped in. Coulombe's going to go pick this up. Coulombe takes a hit. Como can't get that out. Como hits his... Coulombe working hard. Lavac's got to go. All right. Three one. Announcers are getting a little quiet here. That usually happens. Fans are going to try to get him going here. Vermette's going to take matters in his hands. He throws it up front. Ziegler can't keep that in. He tries. Hard hit by Vermette. Ruiz got this. Vermette all alone. He goes in the middle. Great work by Fairzy there. Zubov, he can't handle that. Yeah, we know this is good. Guys got to react here. Guys got to react. Great play. He goes around. All right, got a timeout here by the Jets. All right, time to regroup here. Time to regroup. Timbo, what do you say? What do you say? Lots of pressure. Lots of pressure.
There was pressure.
Yeah. Game 2 is always a different story. Always a different story. All right, 7:48 left here in the second period. 4-1 for the Blizzard. Puck gets thrown up there. Off the mesh, goes out. 7:37 left here in this second period. Time for a comeback there, Timbo?
Tons of time for a comeback.
All right. Need one here before the period. 4-2. We got icing on the play here. All right. All right, here we go. Fontaine. Fontaine throws it around. Ziegler picks this up. He's going to go first skate here. Yep, he's going to go first skate. Needs to watch for Schrader. Last man here. No call here, no call. That's okay. That's no problem. Vermette's got this. He can't pick it up. Vermette back to Coulombe. Coulombe's shot. Redirected away there. Ziegler. Shot across. Ziegler picks this up. Ziegler's going to try to go for a skate here. Puck gets dumped in. Shot from the point. Yeah. Menard could see it. He's going to save it. Menard could see it. He's going to save it. All right. Ginter Emery here. Comeau's going to dig in here. Puck kept in. Thiessen. Puck gets dumped out. Emery's got this. Oh, lots of pressure there. Puck does get out. Boys are a little tentative here. Boys are a little tentative. Robidoux gives that up. Vereshchuk in front of the net. Captain Chernaby. Puck to Comeau. Comeau does get it out. Yeah, he does. All right. 5 minutes left here in this second period. Levac picks this up. He wheels. He goes around to Radley. Radley doesn't have that. He goes. In front. Levac hits Buchert there. Buchert, no, he can't keep it in. Neufeld. Vermette's gonna dump. Neufeld's gonna chase. There he goes. Gets stopped. No support there. Need a bit of support. Levac does keep it in. Keeps it into Neufeld. Great move by Neufeld. He goes cross ice. Just outside. Throws it in front. He misses it. Radley. Puck gets through. It does. Menard makes that save. Back to Levac. Levac shot. Just a bit outside. Shot just a bit outside. Bradley throws it over to Roland. Happens. Blizzard are going to go for a change here. Off the windows. Emerson. Fontaine. Puck is kept in by Roland. Roland's got it here. He gets hit on this shot. Chernaby dumps it in. Roland's going to go. Roland tries to hit. Roland's still out there. Shot from the point. Menard makes that save. 3 minutes left here. Second period. (4-1) here for Blizzard. For the Blizzard, Menard makes that save. Jowett. Thiessen goes cross ice. Ziegler's going to pick this up. Ziegler's got this. 2:30 left here. Thiessen shot. Saved by Baldwin. Long. Ziegler dumps it in. Right on net. 2:12 here left. This period. Como throws it in deep. Como picks it up. He gets hit by Thiessen. Verschuk takes off here. Verschuk, slap shot, blocked by Emery. Ruir was free there. Shot thrown back in. Everything even up. Ginter's got this. Nope. .143 left here. Second period. Puck is, Ruir picks off. Ruir, Como takes the hit. Delivers a hit. That's good. Need more of that. Levac, Verschuk. Scores. In the net. Verschuk. .121 left here. All right, here. Coulomb does get it out. Roland's going to pick this up. Roland. Got it. All right. 5-2. Maybe a little bit of comeback. Okay, gets things going here. 56 seconds. One more before the period. What do you think?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Puck's dumped in. It's going to go right there. Yep. All right. Boy's going to get things going here. Neufeld. Ziegler's got this. He's going to dump in. They got to chase. They got to chase. They got to chase. Need a chase. Ziegler keeps that in. Off the backboards. Camo's got this. Shot in front. Menard makes that save. Neufeld's got this. 32 seconds left here. Lavac's got this. Shot from the point. Ooh, that one had ice. Puck kept in. 14 seconds left. 12 seconds. Thiesen's got this. How much? 6 seconds. 6-5. All right. Blizzard fans like that period. 5-2 here. A lot of work to do. A lot of work to do here. A lot of work. All right, Timbo. Not much to see here. We're going to cut it off there. We're not going to talk about anything, and we'll regroup later.
Yeah, let's reload.